Hi, welcome back. So let us learn how to write introduction effectively. For introduction, I prefer using 3-sentence method. And what is this 3-sentence method? In the first sentence, we paraphrase this statement of the question. Every question has a statement followed by the main question. So firstly, we paraphrase the statement. After paraphrasing or rephrasing the statement, we prefer giving the opinion and outlining our ideas. So now, but what exactly is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means just changing the words or the structure of the sentence without changing the meaning. So meaning should remain intact, but the words can be used differently. We can rephrase it and we can even change the sentence structure. After paraphrasing, we are going to give our opinion clearly. So whatever our opinion is, we have to give it clearly. If the question is not asking opinion and the question is asking what are the advantages and disadvantages, in that case you can mention the primary advantages are, whereas the disadvantages are this. So this is what you are outlining your ideas. This is considered as the thesis statement as well. Now, outline. Outline is the same only. When you are giving hint to the examiner, you are giving ideas, you are giving the reasons. So let's say in the body paragraph 1, you are going to mention 2 advantages. So you will outline the same in introduction. Outline is optional for the students aiming for 6.5 band. But if you are aiming for 7 or above, it is mandatory to mention outline. Now, we'll write one introduction. So we have this question, the same question which we planned earlier in the previous lecture. Many people are now opting to provide technology companies with their personal data in exchange for access to software. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So clearly the question is asking to what extent. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, or to what extent? So we have to mention the same. Now, what are we going to do? We'll firstly paraphrase this statement. This is the statement of the question and this is the main question. Okay? Every question has this statement followed by the main question. So, how are we going to do? We'll paraphrase this first. For many people, we can use most individuals as well. And here I have used a major section of society. Many here. So, a major section or majority of people, a major section of society, a section, we are talking about section, that's why I have used is. A major section of society is now preferring, presently or now preferring to share their credentials in order to operate various applications of techno firms. So what are we doing? What are the majority of people doing? A major section of society, I have used for many people, are now opting, now preferring to share their credentials, okay, personal data, share their credentials to operate software. Okay? So, a major section of society is now preferring to share their credentials in order to operate various applications of techno firms. So, this is the way I have paraphrased it, and this is the easiest method we can do it. Now, here they are asking, do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So we have to give the opinion of essay. This essay believes, okay, they have not asked do you. So they have asked do the advantages, so we'll write this essay. This essay believes that the demerits, for advantages merits and for disadvantages demerits. This essay believes that the demerits totally overlook the merits. Here outweigh, I have used overlook. Totally overlook the merits, as this has led to cyber crimes and online theft cases. So what has it led to? This has led to cyber crimes and online theft cases. Guys, if you are going to take care of the grammar and you will understand the question thoroughly, after planning only you will start writing, I am sure you will easily get 7+ band in writing. So I am going to meet you in the next lecture where I will explain how to write body paragraphs effectively. Thank you.